Hello guys, good morning. In this video, you will know how to earn using the Power of 2 system. So first, kailangan nating malaman kung ano ba yung earning mechanics ng company. Number 1, referral bonus. You will earn 700 cash bonus for every successful referral sales. So paano yon? For example, this is you. In-invite mo yung friend mo na si Liza and she joined. Kikita ka dito sa transaction na to ng 700 pesos. So what if 10 yung gustong sumali sa'yo? Simple lang, babayaran ka ng company ng 700 pesos kada isang tao. Meaning, sa 10 tao na sumali sa'yo, you will earn as much as 7,000 pesos. So that's the referral bonus. So pangalawa, you will have a sales match bonus commission. Meaning, you will earn 1,800 pesos cash bonus for every sales match. So paano ba yung sales match? Now, meron tayong formula. 1 left plus 1 right will be equal to 1 match. 1 match will be paid 1,800 pesos. So, paano yun? For example, this is you. Lalagyan natin ng reference line para malaman natin kung saan yung left sales group at yung right sales group. Now, we will invite 2 of your friends. One will be placed on your left, which is si Liza, and you will earn from this of 700 pesos referral bonus. Now, Jack will be placed on your right and you will earn also another 700 pesos referral bonus. Ibig sabihin, sa referral bonus, ang total mong kinita ay 1,400 pesos. Now, since Lisa is placed on your left sales group and Jack is placed on your right sales group, you have a match. Lisa will pair on Jack and you will earn 1,800 pesos match commission. Ibig sabihin, kanina kumita ka ng 1,400 pesos sa referral bonus and you earn 1,800 pesos on your match bonus. Meaning, the total income na kinita mo on these 2 friends ay 3,200 pesos. So, this is the most exciting part since Lisa will be also doing the business and she will also invite 2 of her friends to join the company. Now, 1 will be placed on the left of Lisa and 1 will be placed on the right of Lisa. This will give Lisa an earning of 3,200 pesos, katulad nung kinita mo kanina. Jack will also do the same. He will invite 2 of his friends and will be placed 1 on his left and 1 on his right. And this will give Jack an income of 3,200 pesos also, katulad nung kinita mo kanina. Now, these 4 people, hindi na ikaw ang nag-invite dyan. Hindi na rin ikaw ang nagtrabaho, hindi ikaw ang napagod, at hindi ikaw yung nag-present. But this 2 person is on your left sales group and this another 2 person are on your right sales group. Meaning, 1 left plus 1 right will be equal to 1 match. And 1 match will be equal to 1,800. Since you have 2 on your left and you have 2 on your right, you have 2 matches. Meaning, this person will pair on this person that will give you a match bonus of 1,800 pesos and this person will also pair on this person that will give you another 1,800 pesos commission. You earned a sales match of 3,600 pesos. So paano ba tong Power of 2 system? Again, we will place a reference line for us to know the left sales group and the right sales group. Ang mechanics nito, you will just invite 2 person to join in 1 month. And we will tell those 2 person na mag-invite din ng 2 persons nila in 1 month. Let's say for example, on your first month, nag-invite ka ng 2. This will give you an earning of 3,200 pesos on your first month. And ang gagawin lang natin, dito sa 2 tao na to, tuturuan natin silang mag-invite also ng tigda 2 nila. On your second month, this will give you an earning of 3,600 pesos. On your third month, this will give you an earning of 7,200 pesos. On your fourth month, nag-invite ulit ng tigda 2, you will earn 14,400 pesos. On your fifth month, nag-invite ng tigda 2, this will give you an income of 28,800 pesos. On your sixth month, nag-invite ng tigda 2, you will earn 57,600 pesos. On your 7th month, nag-invite ng tigda 2, this will give you an earning of 115,200 pesos. On your 8th month, nag-invite ng tigda 2, you will earn 230,400 pesos. On your 9th month, nag-invite ng tigda dalawa, you will earn 460,800 pesos. On your 10th month, nag-invite ng tigda dalawa, you will earn 844,700 pesos. On your 11th month, nag-invite ng tigda dalawa, this will give you an earning of 900,000 pesos maximum income. Dapat, ang kinita mo dito ay 1.6 million. But this time, the company will only pay you 900,000 pesos because of the maximum income per account. Ibig sabihin, kada isang account, kaya mo lang kumita ng 900,000 pesos maximum. Tuloy natin. On your 12th month, nag-invite ng tigda dalawa, you will earn 900,000 pesos again. In total of 1 year, you earned 3.5 million pesos. Ganung kalaki. Simple lang ang mechanics. Mag-i-invite lang ng tigda dalawa kada buwan down the line. At ito na yung bibigay niya sa yung income for the whole year. 3.5 million pesos.